Valutrades. Welcome to this week's Market Blast Fundamentals, where we will look at Euro Dollar, Kiwi Dollar, Aussie Kiwi, Euro Pound, and Pound Dollar. We have seen British pound strength recently, and this week will be an important indicator of the cost of coronavirus on the UK economy. We have employment data tomorrow with Wednesday's manufacturing production and 3 GDP reports all due at the same time. These figures may drive the pound, affecting pound dollar, euro pound, and the other pound crosses. We will also see retail sales data from New Zealand today, and we will expect some volatility Wednesday from the Reserve Bank of New Zealand's interest rate decision and the press conference afterwards. Thursday we will have Australian employment change, and Friday a speech from the Governor of the Reserve Bank of Australia, so pairs like Aussie Kiwi may see some price action movement this week. We see Australian dollar strength against most currencies except the euro, and we will look at these tomorrow from a technical standpoint. Speaking of the euro, we may see a slowing of the bull run, and we will examine this tomorrow as well. This week, watch for German economic sentiment tomorrow and European employment change and GDP Friday. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you tomorrow. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.